Today I'm going to revisit a device that I have already made a video about. That is the Logitech Harmony Hub. And the reason why I'm going to talk about it again is because just recently Logitech released a new Amazon Echo skill that allows the Harmony Hub to interact directly with the Amazon Echo. As some of us early users of the Amazon Echo know, the only way back in the day when all this started to interact with the devices controlled by the Harmony Hub via the Amazon Echo was using the SmartThings Hub. Now everything seems to be simpler. Logitech finally released the skill to do this directly with the Amazon Echo, so we're gonna try to do that right now. These are the devices that I will be controlling with my Harmony Hub. I have one TV here, I have another TV down there, and I have also my sound system over there, and I have a heater, fireplace heater also here in my room. Right now I have it here, so we open our app for the Harmony Hub, and you can see here there are two tabs, one for activities and one for devices. In the devices, just as a quick reminder, here's where you have all your individual devices as you set them up. I have here my Nest thermostat, I have here my lights, I have my two TVs, I have a TV upstairs in my living room, I have my sound system here in my room and also in the living room, and I have my TV here and PlayStation, and these are the things on the fireplace. These are the things that I like to control individually. Also, I think it's possible if you have TV devices with the capability of selecting different channels, you can also add the channels and add them to your favorites, and you can control them as well. Change the channel by using the Harmony Hub and your Amazon Echo. I have right now set up my devices here, and I have already created some activities. So once you have your devices, just quickly for those who are just getting into the Harmony Hub environment, once you create your devices, you have to create your activities. The purpose of the activities is to group actions for several devices. Like for example, here I have one activity which I called main TV. In that activity, I turn on my main TV and I set it up for the video input so that it can go directly and display the information from my Mac mini computer over there. So I set up everything here with this activity. It turns on my TV, selects the input for HDMI, and then that way I can have access to my computer right there. Living room TV, it turns on my TV up in the living room, and it selects also my Apple TV that I have connected to the TV up there. Here, the second TV, it's another TV that I have, a smaller one. This is the one that I used as my desktop computer, and also it's connected to a Mac mini computer, and so when I press that activity, it turns on the TV and selects the HDMI port so I can access that Mac mini computer. All video on, I selected that so that when I get home or I press this button or I ask Alexa to turn my devices on, it turns both TVs on, which is how I have it right now. And also it turns on my heater, my fireplace on the wall, so it turns all those devices at the same time. It works really nice, I really like it. And also I have a Blu-ray activity which turns my HDMI input into the one that I have my PlayStation connected to, and that way I can watch that movie. And last, I have my heater, my fireplace on the wall. So this is pretty cool because this is a device that is not included in the library, in the default library from the Harmony Hub. The Harmony Hub has like more than 20,000 or I don't know how many devices already loaded into its default library. But for the ones who are not there, which is like this device here, it's also possible to make it learn the commands just by pointing your phone to the hub right there, and then you can teach the Harmony Hub the commands, and then you can add it to your system as well. So now I have my activities and devices already set up on my Harmony Hub. So that's the way it works individually, and now I have it also here on my SmartThings Hub. So for example, if I go here to my bedroom, I already have the activities that I had previously created on my Harmony Hub. I have them here. I have all video, Blu-ray, heat, main TV, and second TV. So they are all here, and that's how then later on my Amazon Echo can have access to it. So right now what I want to do is I want to connect my Amazon Echo natively to my Harmony Hub. So first I need to remove it from my SmartThings Hub, the access to Alexa, but I don't want to lose the capability to still have my automation routines. If I want to use the devices from the Harmony Hub, I still want to be able to do that here, so I want to keep those. So all I need to do is unlink my Amazon Echo, and the way to do that is like to go right here underneath under my home. You go to automations, then you go to smart apps, and you have either your routines or your smart apps. So you go to smart apps, and then you go to Amazon Echo. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. I'm going to select uninstall my Amazon Echo skill, remove, and then you remove it, and then that's it. So now that has been done, and now we have to go and do the same thing from the Alexa app, so that we can remove all the devices that it had already recognized under the SmartThings, and we have to unlink also the SmartThings Hub from the Alexa skill, and then we will go ahead and link the one from logitech. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. So I am now here in my Alexa app, so I'm gonna go to smart home, and then I'm gonna go and look for my devices. So here they are. I'm gonna ask it to forget my second TV. There you go. And then I'm gonna ask to forget all the ones that I had already previously set up with my SmartThings Hub, all video, all the activities that I had already created and linked through my SmartThings Hub. I'm gonna be forgetting them because it's gonna relearn it again once I link my account from Logitech. Okay, so now I have individually forgotten all my devices that I had discovered in the past from my SmartThings Hub. So now I'm gonna disable the skill from SmartThings. I disable it now, and I'm gonna go and look for the one from Logitech. So here it is. I found the Harmony Logitech skill. Once you enter your credentials, you will be presented with this interface where you can select everything that you want to import into your Amazon Echo device list. So if you leave it like this, it will import all the devices and activity names that you have. I already did that, and it populated it like with tons of things. So I'm just gonna import just what I want, which is mainly the activity names. So if I don't want to control the device individually, I'm just gonna delete it, and I don't need it. I'm just gonna leave the activity itself, and here I'm gonna leave it like that, and here I'm gonna add a friendly name. I'm just gonna call it all video, and that's it. Here on my second TV, I just want my activity. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna try it, see if not, I'm gonna have to re-import a whole lot of things again. Living room TV, I don't want to control everything individually, so that's it. That should do it. We'll give it a try. So I have selected my activities, and now it's gonna link the account, and now it has linked them, and now I have to run a discovery, and now it's discovering my devices again. Okay, now it has discovered all my devices. I had originally 43 devices. Now my Harmony account is linked, and now it says it found 54. So I have the fireplace, wall fireplace, main TV, all video on, second TV, audio video, entertainment system. Okay, it imported a little bit more than I wanted. I'm going to let it be for now, and I'm just gonna give it a try. So this is done. I say, Alexa, turn on all video.
Okay.
Okay, so it turned on my TV, it turned on my fireplace, and it turned on my big TV, and it set my media center in the right input, so it seems to work. Alexa, turn off second TV.
Okay.
Okay, so there was a little downside to the Harmony Hub activities. Once you turn off one device, it turns off everything else. I was hoping that they would fix that, but apparently it still remains. So if you turn something off, it will turn everything off that you have on that is controlled by the Harmony Hub. So Alexa, turn on all video.
Okay.
So there it is, my heater, my TV, and my other TV. So everything works fine. Now my Amazon Echo is connected directly to my Harmony Hub. I don't need to have my SmartThings Hub linked anymore to control my devices with the Amazon Echo. And I hope this helped you setting up your Harmony Hub if you are just buying it now, and that it's a helpful guide what you can expect linking your Amazon Echo to your Harmony Hub.